Kita na court alubasa. Mmechiva anjiri nile court chale meso. Iwe tomato nyina alubasa. Nyina alubasa. Iwe bu iwe ni anjiri meso. Iwe bu alubasa. Nyina OSE le kwepo. Iwe bu pepper nyina le kwepo. Iwe bu tomato anjiri meso. Iwe mechiche nyewe yenye noko. Anjili vetie na gizzard. Ganu zele gizzard.
Ebe ọ sizi mụ pụọ nnọọ ka o siri o kwetezidi mụ bịa n'ezi. Ọ dị egwu ndị be anyị onye mụta nwa bụkwa anya afọ Igbo kụzielie ndị Igbo. Ada nna be anyị nke ọ na-akpagharị
Kita anyị na-achọ ntie gizzard n'ime sauce anyị shi. Anyị tọrọ ya wee mixie ya. Abụ m kitchen tissue wee wofu mmanụ dị na gizzard ka o yere nwe mmanụ rinne maka na mmanụ adụgo na sauce anyị shi.
But she's seen that it's a huge opportunity to appear alongside other leaders of the world after he went home early from the D-Day commemorations, leaving one camera.
Kita na-agwakọta ya ka o yezie.
The smaller parties have the opportunity to scale records.
ka anyị bido n'ulibe ndewo bịa join ya. Daalụ Adaobi, daalụ ka isi sie nri. Hey Adaobi be anyị mere ọfụma. Daalụ ka isi sie nri.
I'm going to just give you one tiny little shred of there is a possibility
Papa?
flavor wins the election. They might say to MPs.
Mommy, try me. I can't bear pink one.
Like to consider it.
And because the classic parliamentary time is like 6 or 7 weeks holiday in the summer. They don't
It's very important, as is the final 20 seconds of this program.
Yes, well, it's been lovely hanging out with you too. I hope you've enjoyed your first slice of a live episode of Newscast here on Radio 4. If you like what you heard, every day. And your funnel pops up on them at weekends, so there's some classic Radio 4 stuff in there as well.
And we'll be back on Weekend Newscast tomorrow afternoon after the Sunday morning political rounds. But for now, goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Newscast from the
BBC. 200 Palestinians were killed and claims that some hostages also died during the operation. Also today, BBC News. One of the last two sightings. Presenter Michael Mosley on the Greek island of Scilly. And we'll have the latest from the general election campaign as the Conservatives are taking stamp duty cuts and Labour promises to reform business rates.
So, Mommy, I wouldn't want chicken.
Okay.
Hello and welcome to BBC News. I'm Vanessa Dura. 8 months into it, one of the hostages, Noah Agamani, was taken. Wow.